The power of the dark side.
When he was a little block, the creepers came at night. They took his mom and dad away and vanished out of sight. The villagers, they came to help, but little was too late. He is left alone to build this world according to his fate. Little square face, mind this place, gotta survive for another day. You will grow strong, just carry on, never look away. Little square face. On in time he grew up strong, a miner's man of fame. He never lost the memory of the place from which he came. A man of faith and courage now, he takes up armor strong. Those creepers, they are gonna pay for all their sins and wrong. Little square face, mind this place, gotta survive for another day. You will grow strong, just carry on, never look away. All these years have kept him well, but never have those memories fell. In this land he now roams free, a miner's tale for you and me. Little square face, mind this place, gotta survive for another day. You will grow strong, just carry on, never look away. Little square face, mind this place, gotta survive for another day. You will grow strong, just carry on, never look away. Little square face. You looking for a piece of me? Well, I'm right here standing and it's plain to see. I'm ready for what comes around, I'm not afraid to die. It looks like it's a brand new day in a hellfire journey and I'm on my way. If a mob tries to bring me down, he can kiss his fanny bye. I fight my battles while the memory rages on and on and on. This is my destiny, to be the greatest miner. The cubic world will surely say, we'll say, this is my destiny. Come on out, you creeps and slimes, I'm ready to fight, take you anytime. Take a good look at what you see, it's the last thing you will know. Little square face on There's no turning back, I've come this far. The story's written on my face. Journey through a world that's torn apart. Rise above it all by grace. There will be love again. There will be hearts that fight till the end, back where it all began. There will be love. There will be love again. Somewhere in this world I'll find myself, hidden in the dark below. Listen as the soul inside me yells, telling me the things I know. There will be love again. There will be hearts that fight till the end, back where it all began. There will be love. There will be love again. Better is one day with love than 1,000 years of loneliness without you. Never could a star shine bright without others, and it wouldn't even want to. There will be love again. There will be hearts that fight till the end, back where it all began. There will be love. There will be love. There will be love again.
I might have a pretty face, but I'm dangerous to the core. Just look what I did to Captain Sparkles, need I say more? The boys in the game have no idea the danger they face. I'm faster than lightning, moving around all over the
Good night, son.
Good night, Mommy.
Sweet dreams.
He roams the land through the villages and mountains, a big old heart and a spirit that is free. He fights for good and he always stands for justice, a shining light for the world to see. Trouble cannot hide from him and evil will not rise. Let the world take notice that two forces will collide. This is how you fight. This is how you conquer. Forces getting stronger in the light of day. This is how you win. Face the world of danger. Lose your fear of failure. Never look away. rescue and save the world from evil. There is no fear, he will overcome. And fighting is his destiny, help is on the way. Never fear, the good guys here, the wicked's gonna pay. This is how you fight.